So we're really happy to be in our new office. It's been a long-term dream to really build world-class infrastructure. Over the years, we've moved to many offices. It's gotten better and better, I think. But I think we finally found a home that is really allows us to, have a great place to collaborate as a team. We have, we believe in work-life balance, so, have fun, work really hard. And also, I think what's very important is the energy. The energy that we have, because it's such a large office, a lot of us on the same floor, is bringing us all together and bringing the energy so that we can create a lot of success working together as one large team. So let me quickly take you through the office. So what was amazing about the whole office was actually the team that we worked together as one team to really, make it happen on the dates that we needed to get it done. So I got to really call out our IT infrastructure facilities team. Incredible work that they did to actually make sure that we can move in here. Also got to call out the marketing team to really make this our home. The theme for the office was the melting pot. And why we thought this was great was because we are a melting pot. We're a melting pot of people, cultures, melting pot of innovation and technologies. And we're doing things. Oh, hi Puneet. How are you?
Good.
So how are you enjoying the office?
It's amazing. The vibe is really positive. I just love it.
The energy.
Energy, absolutely.
So that's what we're calling it. It's a melting pot of energy, fun, and we want to get great success. So come on. And it's an open office. Hello, everyone. So, oh, hi, Pravir.
Hello, Samir. How are you doing?
Good. What do you think of the new office?
I think this is great. Everyone is on the same floor, and the ambience is fabulous.
I know.
Really
The energy is like, it brings out the Impelsys energy, right?
And that melting pot culture is visible everywhere.
Absolutely. Cool. So let's go on. But what this office is also, we believe it's the next phase of our growth. It's a platform for us to continue to grow in multiple ways. And there's a lot of things that we dream about. We've dreamt to come here. And now we're dreaming about building the company even bigger, further. So there's a lot of work for us to do to go ahead and build our future. We have a lot of investments planned and really to make great impact in the world. And our idea is to build a purposeful company that we all can have a great time, work really hard, create incredible success for all of us, plus all our customers, and make great impact. So finally, I'm here in my office. Every day I come here, it's exciting because I get to meet everyone. And the first month has been incredible. So, we've got a great future. And I think I just want to say thank you to my team because we've worked hard and we've gotten here. We have a long way to go and we're going to do much, much more greater things. So we're going to have lots of fun. Thank you.